Hi, I'm Dave Binns, Director of Engineering with Cambridge Air Solutions. We work with many business leaders and manufacturing owners trying to help create better working environments for hardworking people, but they often find themselves trying to create that better environment too close to the impending cooling season. So what we'd like you to do is engage our team, go through our industrial retrofit project process, and we'll try to get you a solution and understand what your needs are to get that solution implemented before that cooling season comes. So you may ask yourself, what does the process look like? Well, it all starts with the building walkthrough. We'll engage you with our local rep and our application engineering team to understand what your building needs are and what you're trying to solve and what kind of solution you need. That process, by understanding your building, will then go into our application engineering team and we'll try to understand what type of ventilation systems, what kind of ventilation needs you have today, and then how your ventilation system can be put to work to provide a more comfortable working environment for your facility. That application engineering team will then take this solution, present it to you and your team, understand how well we meet your needs and how well we need to tweak it based on what you want to accomplish in 2021, finding a local partner, contractor and engineer to design that system and try to get it through your approval process in order to get that system up and running for maximum cooling before the season. Depending on your building needs and your timelines, the solution may be as simple as a few small units or multiple units of fairly large size, which can take some time from a planning process and a manufacturing process. So we'd love for you to engage the Cambridge team now to go through our industrial retrofit process to try to see what we can do and get that project done in time and on budget.